Namaskaram. Now I am teaching Tolasana. Tola means scale. Asana resemble the scale, hence the name. It also called lifted lotus pose. Who should not do this? Person who has undergone shoulder, wrist and back surgery should not do this. This asana calms the mind, tones up the abdominal organs, improves sense of balance. This asana strengthens the arms and the wrist. Also, this asana relieves menstrual cramping. How to do this? Tolasana should straight the legs front, put Padmasana with right leg up like this. Fold the right leg and rest your right foot on the root of the thigh and rest your left palm on the root of the right thigh. Rest your palms on the ground by side of the thighs, not here, by side of the thighs like this. Exhale and lift the body, keep its weights on the palms. Exhale and lift the body, keep its weights on the palms. Hold the pose for 30 to 60 seconds with the normal breathing. Then exhale and bring the legs down. Come to the resting pose and relax. If you can't do Tolasana with Padmasana, there you can do with Sukhasana only, like this. Keep it like this, then lift the body like this. If it is not possible, just raise the back like this. Practice Tolasana and get all these benefits. Happy time.